Much better. Sound decibel about 104. Again. Much better. Go ahead and back it up. What do you think, man? You like it?
Yeah, it's still nice, quiet and idle.
Exactly.
It's just deep, you know.
Yeah, deep.
Those Flowmaster Super Tins, man, they never disappoint. They sound really well on these.
I think it's what I got on my Mustang.
Yeah. What do you think? More. No more? They like it, so we'll leave it like that. Give it gas? Sound up. It's 101. It's not too much. There's the muffler we cut off. It's not too bad. It's enough for a luxurious car like that. It's a luxury car. And at idle, you don't hear it at all. You remember 4 cats too on it. LEXUS GX470. What do you guys think? Muffler delete.